as much as fundamentals are important, right? The CFA textbooks and MBA textbooks don't talk about sort of speculation from Reddit communities and Discord, right? Or even Roaring Kitty. But I do think investors and even institutional investors can't ignore the fact that retail makes up a significant portion of today's equity market. A book was written called Dumb Money for a reason. That's what retail was considered. And I think it's proved, especially this year, that retail isn't dumb at all. And I think it's a really mischaracterization of that space. I think there are times, like any area, that there's probably pockets where people will say, what the heck is going on here? But at the end of the day, I do think investors need to be aware, particularly if they're either going long or shorting a stock that has tons of short interest, that has a potential for a squeeze pretty significantly, especially because of really the access that investors now have to kind of short-term tools, whether they're one-day options, zero-day options, what have you, that markets can move at a much more quicker pace. We, of course, saw it first with your GameStop and AMC, but now it can kind of happen in any pocket across the market and with names that people may have not considered. But they all do share those kind of similar characteristics. So if someone is looking to get sort of into a name, whether they're long or short, you can't ignore some of those realities.